Hello everyone, welcome back to ASPA Math Solutions. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம exercise 1.4 question number 10 and 11 பார்க்கலாம். So what is the 10th question? A function f from real numbers minus 5 to 9 to real numbers is defined as follows. Okay, f of x is equal to 6x plus 1 when minus 5 is less than or equal to x less than 2. F of x is equal to 5x square minus 1 when 2 is less than or equal to x less than 6. F of x is 3x minus 4 when 6 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. Now find first one f of minus 3 plus f of 2. Okay. இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? இங்க a function f from minus 5 to 9. இப்படி bracket போட்டு கொடுத்தா இதோட மீனிங் minus 5 ல இருந்து 9 வரை கொடுக்கிற எல்லா real numbers. Okay. This is our domain. Okay. Two real numbers. This is our codomain. Okay. And they have given f of x. F of x is equal to 6x plus 1. Epo minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2. In the interval வரும்போது f of x என்னது 6x plus 1. Next one f of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. 5x square minus 1. Epo 2 is less than or equal to x less than 6 ஆகும்போது. Okay. இந்த interval வரும்போது f of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. And one more. F of x is equal to 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4 when 6 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. Okay. In the interval f of x oda value 3x minus 4 இருக்கும். Okay. So first என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க? f of minus 3 plus f of 2 கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Okay. So first நம்ம f of minus 3 என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். f of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 எந்த interval வரும்? The first one இல்லையா? minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2 தான் minus 3 வரும். So our f of x is 6x plus 1. Okay. That is 6 into minus 3 plus 1. That is equal to minus 18 plus 1. That is equal to minus 17. Okay. So this is f of minus 3. Now next one f of 2. Okay. The 2 எந்த interval வரும்? இங்கே வரும். The second one. 2 less than or equal to x less than 6 என்ற அந்த interval தான் 2 வரும். இல்லையா? So அப்போ f of x உடைய value என்னது? 5x square minus 1. That is 5 into 2 square minus 1. That is equal to 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. Okay. 20 எப்படி வந்தது? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 1, 19. Okay. Now f of minus 3 plus f of 2 oda value. Okay. That is equal to minus 17 plus 19. That is equal to 2. Okay. So f of minus 3 plus f of 2 is equal to 2. Okay. இனி second one என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க? Second one f of 7 minus f of 1. Okay. So first f of 7 கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். f of 7. So 7 எந்த interval வரும்? Third one. இல்லையா? 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9 வரும். That is 3x minus 4. Okay. So that is 3 into 7 minus 4. That is equal to 21 minus 4. That is equal to 17. Okay. Next one, f of 1. F of 1. F of 1. 1 and then the interval varum. First one. Okay. That is 6x plus 1. So 6 into 1 plus 1. That is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Now f of 7 minus f of 1. That is equal to 17 minus 7. That is equal to 10. Okay. F of 7 minus f of 1 is equal to 10. Okay. Now next question. Third one வந்து 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. Okay. 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. Now what is f of 4? F of 4 is equal to 4 வந்து எந்த interval வரும்? இங்க வரும். That is 5x square minus 1. That is 5 into 4 square minus 1 வரும். It is equal to 5 into 16 minus 1. That is 80 minus 1 is equal to 79. Okay. Next one வந்து f of 8. F of 8. So 8 and the interval varum, the last one. 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9 varum. That is 3x minus 4. So f of 8 is equal to 3 into 8 minus 4. 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. Okay. Now 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8 is equal to 2 into 79 plus 20. Okay, that is equal to 158 plus 20. That is equal to 178. Okay, so as per the given function, 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8 is equal to 178. Okay, now fourth one. 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 whole divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. Okay. Now first one the f of minus 2. F of minus 2. That is equal to minus 2 in the category varum. First one. Illaya. First one varum. That is 6x plus 1. Therefore 6 into minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 12 plus 1 is equal to minus 11. Okay. Next one the f of 6. F of 6 is equal to 6 in the category varum. The last one. Though 3x minus 4 varum. That is 3 into 6 minus 4. That is equal to 18 minus 4. That is equal to 14. Okay. அடுத்தது வந்து f of 4. f of 4 is equal to 4 வந்து இந்த கேட்டகரியில வரும். The second one 5x square minus 1 ல வரும். That is 5 into 4 square minus 1. That is equal to 79 வரும். f of 4 is 79. Now next one வந்து f of minus 2. Again நம்ம இங்கே already solve பண்ணியிருக்கு. f of minus 2 is minus 11. Now as per the given function, we got f of minus 2 is equal to minus 11, f of 6 is equal to 14, f of 4 is equal to 79. Now let us find out 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 whole divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. Okay. That is equal to another 2 into minus 11 minus f of 6 another minus 14 whole divided by f of 4 is 79. 79 plus minus 11. Okay. That is equal to minus 36 divided by 68, which is equal to minus 9 divided by 17. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Now 11th question enna paakalama. The distance an object travels under the influence of gravity in time t seconds is given by s of t is equal to 1 by 2 gt square plus at plus b, where a and b are constants and a is greater than 0. Also g is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, verify whether the function s of t is 1 1 or not. இங்கே வந்து distance s வச்சு denote பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Okay, now we need to verify whether the function s of t is 1 1 or not. Okay, so here they have given s of t is equal to half into gt square plus at plus b. Okay, here s is the distance, t is the time in seconds, a and b are constants where a is greater than 0 and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now let t, that is our time. Okay, let t, they have given t in seconds. Okay, let t is equal to 1 2 3 4 etc. seconds. Seconds தானே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இதுதான் நம்மளுடைய domain. Okay, so what is s of 1? first வந்து நம்ம s of 1 என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். s of 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into g into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b, that is equal to 1 by 2 g plus a plus b. Okay, so when our input is 1 second, distance enna varudhu 1 by 2 g plus a plus b nu varudhu. Okay, now if our time is 2 seconds, enna varum 2 seconds, then it is 1 by 2 g into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b, that is equal to 2g plus 2a plus b nu varum. Okay, இது வந்து 4 by 2 2. Okay, next வந்து time 3 seconds இருக்கும்போது என்ன வரும் பார்க்கலாம். s of 3. Okay, s of 3, that is equal to half into g into 3 square இல்ல plus a into 3 plus b. Okay, that is equal to 9 by 2 g plus 3a plus b. Okay, and so on. Okay, இங்கே வந்து time வந்து 1 second இருக்கும்போது நம்மளுடைய distance வந்து 1 by 2 g plus a plus b. அதே மாதிரி time 2 seconds இருக்கும்போது நம்மளுடைய distance வந்து 2g plus 2a plus b. நம்மளுடைய time 3 seconds இருக்கும்போது 9 by 2g plus 3a plus b. So for every different time we get a different distance. That is, for every unique input we get a unique output. Therefore the given function is 1 1 function. Okay, the given function is 1 1 function. So இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். 12th ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து நம்ம அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். எதனா டவுட் இருந்தால் கமெண்ட்ஸில் வந்து கேளுங்க. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.